Hi, cuties. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashwini. I create content related to lifestyle, beauty, unboxing, reviews, and more. If you like this type of content, do consider subscribing to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. And also, don't forget to follow me on all my socials. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I balance my life and my content creation and also my small business. It's totally an unfiltered topics. So let's get right into the video. Cuties, you all know I'm doing my small business from really very long, and also content creation also goes in the same way. And in the meantime, recently I've started so much stuff. Because of that, my plate is totally occupied. Yeah. As you guys know, it's really important to balance both the work and life. And in 24 hours, there is lot of stuff to do every single day. So I usually split every single thing and I try to do them accordingly. Whether it's for my content creation, like for my lifestyle page or for my small business, I try to write down every single thing which I wanted to do in a certain time period, and I will gradually try to do them day by day, not in a single day, day by day. I'll split the task for one day this many tasks and for one day this many tasks. In one day, as we are having 24 hours only, I try to take at least 5 hours nap for sure. And apart from that, 2 hours of for taking breaks in between and some entertainment and all the other stuff. At least like 7 hours. So in the rest of the time, I will split it according to my work. If I'm having more work related to my lifestyle page and for doing content and all the research and all the stuff, I will give it a max my like of 4 to 6 hours for that, and I'm doing freelancing work as well, and I will give all the rest of the time for that. And in between, as I am have to do some work in the house, like for the doing chores, cooking, laundry, this and that now, and also we have to take care of our pets as well. So rest of the times mostly go for that. Starting when I woke up, I will do some breakfast and other kind of stuff which are in the household, and after that, like from 10:30 onwards, I will start working. Like maybe it's like filming or editing, whatever it is there, I will try to do from that time onwards. And now, mostly after having my lunch, I will try to do like calls or anything which if I'm having any meetings or anything, I try to do at that particular time for sure. And also, in the evenings and all, I try to do some other work as I'm also doing some other stuff as well. I try to like do short listings and approvals and all the other stuff in the evening parts. And till night, I don't know what time it will be. And I try to take breaks like for preparing dinner, this, that stuff. So total day is completely awkward. I'm not having certain time of space. In between, I take breaks for doing the household stuff and sometimes doing like calling or maybe texting or maybe doing some kind of research on the particular stuff which I wanted to do or currently doing. Because of that, I can totally focus on that particular day what I'm actually doing. The thing which really helped me is writing down every single thing which I wanted to do and later on splitting them day by day gradually and completing them in a particular time period in which I wanted to complete. And sometimes now I will do like redesigning my website and doing some research on that as well. It takes a lot of time, not kidding. And I mostly conduct my workshops, one-on-one sessions, and all the stuff on Saturdays and Sundays. It is totally awkward like that. And as you guys know, I surely upload long videos on Friday on my lifestyle channel. So on Wednesday, for sure, I will film long video content on the day. So on the day I will film, on maybe on Thursday I will edit both the video and thumbnail, and for the Friday the video will be live. And for the short video content and also for images and all, what I do is I will try to write down every single stuff which I wanted to do, or maybe I will uh, collect all the references, videos, and all the stuff, and I will keep at a place and I will go through them, and I will film them in bulk. It really helps me a lot. Filming them at once will save a lot of time to me. It takes a lot of time later on for editing and all this stuff. But initially, if I'm filming them for the whole week, it is lot of time saving for me. So I usually do in this way. like splitting the tasks and also doing every single task gradually. And in this way, I will split all my tasks and try to incorporate all of this single task in that particular day so that I can do all the stuff in that day. Not only for only one particular category, but for all the stuff which I am currently working on. Because of that, it not only saves my time, but also I'm having a lot of progress in the work which I'm currently working on as well. It is really good thing which I'm doing currently. Writing and doing time management and splitting the tasks and not burning out and making myself motivated. I'm giving myself some time for entertainment purpose as well. By splitting everything, na, we will not burn out for sure. And these are my top tips and which I'm currently following. These are unfiltered. This is what I'm truly following as well. In case of I'm not having access to a book, maybe or a paper and a pen, I will try to open my phone and I try to text every single thing in my notepad and I will do the checklist in that as well. Like this, I keep track of every single thing which I'm currently working, whether it's related to content, whether it is related to my business, whether it is related to some other stuff as well. I surely follow these steps only by breaking down all the tasks and by breaking down the time and by giving myself some me time as well in the same way. So this is how it works. I hope it is helpful for you guys also if you wanted to start something. That's it for today's video, cuties, and I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you do so, then do like this video and share this video with your friends and family members. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, then do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you'll get notified when I upload a new video. And also, don't forget to follow me on all my socials. Cuties, if you don't know, I'm doing a birthday series, then you are missing a lot. Go check out the previous video and stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Okay, bye. Take care. See you in the next video.